Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to our latest installment of Origami Week. I hope you guys are ready to do our next project. Now, remember when I told you guys that origami was the traditional paper art or paper folding art from Japan? Well, one of the Japanese favorite origami pieces is an origami crane. Okay, I bet you guys have seen these around all over the place. This is a very traditional gift to give in Japan, is an origami crane to show somebody that you think they are pretty awesome. So let's make some cranes today. Are you guys ready to make some cranes? If you guys watch, at the end of the video, I'm going to modify one of these cranes to do something a little bit different. So pay attention to that at the end, and I think you guys are going to have fun. Let's go to the table. All right, so in order to start with our origami crane, we're going to need square pieces of paper. So I got some square pieces of paper right here. If you forget how to make a square out of your paper, here's a regular sheet of paper. I'm going to take the corner, fold it down, and line it up with the side right there. And then I got this extra piece right here. I'm just going to take my ruler, and this is a pro move. Let's see if you guys can do this move. Line it up, hold it down, tear, no scissors needed. Now I got my square of paper right here. So let's get started. We've already got one diagonal fold here from making the square out of the paper. Let's do another one going the other way. Very nice. Now we've got an X. Now we're going to go top to bottom. Fold it in half. Now Mr. P is using heavier paper here because I wanted to use some color for you guys. But it will be difficult to fold it with this thicker paper. So you guys might want to try some kind of different paper, maybe just a regular piece of notebook paper, or if you have it laying around, use some wrapping paper. Wrapping paper works really nice when you're doing origami. So, excuse me, I've got a fold down the middle, X, X. Now we're going to do that squash fold again, but this time, last time we did the squash fold from the sides like this. This time we're going to do it from the corners. So this time I'm going to push in a corner, push in a corner. Whoa, it's a little hard to do. So if I push in these corners right here, I can start to, ooh, it's giving me some headaches today. Got these two pieces, come together, come down, squash it down. So I've got this nice diamond. That's going to be a tricky part, and there's another tricky part coming up soon, but just kind of keep an eye and pay attention here as I do this. Now, I'm going to take this side, I'm going to line it up to the middle right there. Swish, fold it up, swish, other side. Right there. Okay, now take this top triangle right here, fold it over this piece of paper. Those two folds right there. Fold it over. Work it out. Now here comes the tricky move. Open that triangle back up, open these triangles back up, and then we're going to lift up the one piece of paper, one edge of the paper right here, and we're going to open it and squash it down like this. Okay, that's a tricky move, but that's okay. We're going to do it again. So I'm going to flip over my paper, same thing on this side. I'm going to line that up, fold that edge in, line this one up, fold that edge in. You know you're doing it right if it's like a kite shape. Okay, take that triangle, fold it over, back up, lift these up, slide this piece up, and we're going to squash this down real nice. Real nice. So now we've got a triangle kind of thing on top. See, we notice we got these two little legs right here. I'm gonna put those at the bottom. We're gonna need those here in a minute. And then we got these two at the top. You're gonna guess these are the wings that we're gonna work on. And this is gonna be the head, and this is gonna be the tail. How do we do it? Pretty easy. We're gonna open up this side. You see I'm opening it up over on this side? Take that bottom piece, and I'm just gonna flip it up a little bit. It doesn't have to go all the way up. Let it come out a little bit, and then make your little fold. So you'll have a little angle down here, and you'll have a little head up here. We're going to do the same to the other side. Open it up, fold your piece up just a little bit. Once you get it up here and bent in the right position, you can kind of move it to however you like, so that it kind of sticks out a little bit. Now my folds are a little off today. Let's see if I can fix this one on the back. It's got a little bit of, my tail's a little crazy right there, but that's okay. So here it is. So far, so good. All right, we've almost finished. We only got to do the head next. The head's easy to do. Okay, just like the fold we just did. So I got this head piece. I'm going to open it up a little bit. I'm going to push this part down and fold it back through the middle, and just move it down to the way I like it. You see right there, I got that. Now for the wings, you can fold those down. You can take your finger, kind of do a little pull like this, pull and bend, pull and bend. I like to say that I think that's a pretty good crane we just did there. Not too bad, huh? All finished. Now if you want it to stand up, it's got these 4 little spots on the bottom. We can bend out a little bit so that he stands up nicely. Okay, so not too bad right there, you guys. We got a nice little crane. Now let's go ahead and do some modifications on our crane right here. So I've got a green one right here. All right, because I'm going to turn this crane into a dragon. Now watch very carefully, okay? Back to the table. Now I've got my dragon right here. I've got my head right here. I'm going to do 2 more folds on my dragon head. I'm actually going to make his head a little bit shorter, so I'm going to fold it down a little bit more. Then I'm going to do 2 more of those flip ups. Watch this. Flip up. Actually, just 1 more. I'm going to flip it up. I'm going to pinch it down like this, and check that out. I think I got ourselves a little horned head now right there. And then let's go back to the tail. We're going to do a couple more of these moves. 1, 2. I like to do 2. Just like that. That's a tricky fold too. We'll see if you guys can get this going. Now, he's in pretty good shape. He's starting to look like a dragon, but let's give him some dragon wings. Let's make his wings a little bit more exciting. I'm just going to kind of fold these. I kind of fold one down at an angle a little bit here. See that? And then I'll fold it up. Go down a little bit farther. Fold it up. Fold it down. And now we've got kind of a cooler little dragon wing. Let's do the other side. Fold it down. Fold it up. A little bit further down the wing. Fold it down. Right there. And then pull that out. Check out our dragon now. So we went from a crane to a dragon. Not too bad, right? Check this out. Look at our dragon after we're finished with it. We made a crane and a dragon. Which one do you guys like the best? I can't wait to see the pictures that you guys make of these. So make sure you keep sending me in those pictures. I am loving seeing what you guys are getting done during Origami Week. So until tomorrow, where I have an extra special origami piece that I think everybody is going to love, I will see you guys then. Have a great day. Wah, wah.